Guys, we are waiting for our fireworks from Burj Khalifa. Here we are. This is the one. This is the one. So waiting for the fireworks. Hello. People start making noise. From these buildings, they are now making noise, screaming. They will do only a light show, Bo, or a firework? Or is it, if it's a light show, it's so boring. Come on, start now. Few seconds. Let's smoke cigarettes. So up with this.
Hey, started.
Started.
Yeah, fireworks.
Wow!
Yeah,
Happy New Year! Whoa! This is the Burj Khalifa. Where is it, man?
Then the entrance skyline is
Huh?
left also.
Yeah, so much is there. Yay!
Happy New Year!
Jose, can you see that, Bo? It's
Yeah.
sparkly.
Yeah.
Oh, it's there. I think it's a global village.
Oh,
It's
that's probably that palm and all that.
The Burj Al Arab.
Yeah.
But this building is blocking us. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Wow, so beautiful.
2021 is over. 2022 started. It's like light show and fireworks together.
Yes. I think Burj Al Arab, they'll do a light show. That is also a global village, right?
Global Village is right over here. That's all that thing. It's not Global Village. That's not Global Village. Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, that was nice.
Last time there was no noise, but world events.
That side only are very noisy. Before, no, it used to be here this side, no? It's very noisy in this side. Now it's quiet. Maybe they've gone for holiday. Beautiful. it's quite longer, na?
Oh.
I think it's going to finish now. Oh, Burj Khalifa.
Wow.
Wow. Oh. I think it's finished. Yeah, done. Once the name come out now from Imar, that means it's finished. There's still more.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh my God. Look at
Oh
that.
my God,
Oh my
that's
God,
so
look at that.
beautiful. Whoa!
Oof.
Woo. So amazing. I don't know how they decorate that now in the building, right? Oh my God, it's just like going to open the building. It's cut into half. Finish! Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year.